SubhanAllah walhamdulillah wala ilaha illAllah wallahu akbar wala hawla wala quwwata illa billah Aliyyun al Azim. SubhanAllah, glory be to Allah, walhamdulillah, praise be to Allah, wala ilaha illAllah, there is no God but Allah, wallahu akbar, Allah is the greatest, wala hawla, there is no power, wala quwwata, and no strength, illa billah, except with Allah, Aliyyun al Azim, and He is the Most High, the Supreme. It is said that whoever says these words one time, he is granted a tree in paradise, and the shadow of that tree is this much, that if a horse rider rides for 400 years, the shadow of that tree will not be finished. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has kept such a big reward by saying only one statement once. So we all should try that we should say this statement at least once every day.